Today, I'll teach you how to earn $800 in PayPal dollars by utilizing a free app that I recently discovered. It's called Latem, and it looks like this on your screen right now. This procedure can be done entirely using your phone, which is absolutely incredible. Later in the video, I'll show you how to implement this method on autopilot to generate even more cash online. Not only that, but you'll learn how to improve your performance and possibly earn more money. Now, before I show you fully free online tool that will do all of the work for you and help you earn hundreds of dollars in under 30 minutes, I need to show you what you need to do first and where you can do it for free. So stay with me until the ending of this video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congratulations! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. You may use this method with your phone once again. So if you're ready now, the first thing you need to do is go to this website called latem.org, and it looks like this. This is actually a platform where you can get paid to do things like graphic design, digital marketing, writing, as well as create various movies and animation projects for viewers and translation. You may also post music and do a lot more here, and then profit from any of these domains. You don't have to perform them all though, because as I previously stated, I'll provide you with a tool that will bring you to one specific task that will pay you significantly more. As a result, since we'll be using a free tool later in the video, we may simply receive revenue without doing any hard work. And I realize it's a little confusing right now. But please stick with me and I'll show you how to accomplish everything step by step. I just want you to follow along with me in this video and do everything I say so that when this lesson is over, you'll be ready to start making some serious money online. Now, when you arrive at Latem's homepage, you should immediately click on I want to work. Because we're obviously not here to hire and pay people. Instead, we're here to get compensated and expand our earnings. So please press this button right now. You'll then be taken to this sign up page after clicking that. So if you want to start earning right away, simply provide your email address. On the other hand, if you want a better sign-up experience, you may join up using your Google, Facebook, or iOS accounts. This is what your Latem account will look once you logged in. Now what I want you to do is go to the top of the page and click Find Projects, which will take you to this page, where you can view a variety of surveys, graphics and design, social and digital marketing, website and software crafts, app downloads, as well as other projects. But more importantly, the translation and languages category is the most significant for today because it is the most straightforward category in which even a beginner may earn money online. So if you click on the translation and languages area, it will show you various tasks that pay you well. As you can see, you'll receive money ranging from $75 to $5,000 or even $10,000. As you can see, there is an endless list of projects to accomplish in this category. Also, projects are introduced here daily, which means that you won't be limited to what you can earn on this platform. These projects are all quite simple to do because you're only going to translate languages, such as translating English to French, English to Spanish, and so on. And you'll be able to earn hundreds to thousands of dollars here. However, once again, you don't have to worry because we'll employ a free tool later in the tutorial to help you translating all of these items. So make sure you keep an eye out for everything I'm about to say. Now, click on any of your preferable projects to see how much money they're willing to give you once you've accomplished their work. Now, I want you to go to grab their project and go to Google Translate, which you can find at translate.google.com. This is the free tool that I meant earlier that will let you earn money online without having to do any hard work. This Google tool, as the name implies, will translate your Word documents into a specified language. For instance, your project may require translation from English to Spanish, so you'll need to upload your project's Word document to Google Translate, and the tool will automatically translate the English words in your document into Spanish. It's that easy! Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Let's get back on track, shall we? In order to translate your document into Spanish, go to the top of the page and click the Document button. After that, you'll upload the document from Latem to here by clicking the Browse Your Computer button. Then, after your document has been uploaded, you need to set the languages from English to Spanish right here up top. After that, please click the Convert button to translate all of the English words in your document to Spanish. After you've completed all of the procedure, your document should look like this. For example, this is the actual translated document, which you can now submit to your Latem project, from which you can make some actual money. Do you see how easy it was? That work only took you less than 5 minutes to complete. And you can now earn money from Latem just like that after you submit it to one of their projects, which is absolutely fantastic. However, now that you completed your translations, you need to copy everything and paste it onto another Google platform. You can do so by going to Google Docs, which is located at docs.google.com. Now, what I want you to do is click blank right here so that you may immediately begin pasting your text. After that, you may paste your copied text here and change the fonts of colors to make it look better. Now that you have your project in front of you, you must save it to your device by selecting File right here. Then, you select Download from drop-down menu. And to save this document in PDF format, select PDF document from the drop-down menu. You may now look at your project paper right now, and you may notice how it appears to be fairly professional. Finally, return to your initial Latem project, where you may now upload your PDF document. By doing so, you'll be able to earn hundreds, if not thousands of money. For my project right here, for instance, I'll be able to earn $250 to $350, and you may do it again and again to earn $800 by using our method for today. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Google Tools. Once again, enter the code word Google Tools and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you'd like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.